Hey guys, Seth here at Q Sales Inc. What we have is a 2005 Exmark 48-inch Viking. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we'll inspect the major components. As you can see, the machine starts right up. The tracking is a little bit off on it. That's why when I started it started drifting forward. The deck has recently been repainted and decaled. The deck is in nice shape. It was sanded down. It may have a couple little welds on it, but it's a very clean deck. And it's in nice condition. Engine, it's got a very nice 15 horsepower engine. It does have some cracked plastic, as you can see. That does not affect the performance of the machine. The rear tires are about 30%, 30 to 40%. They're still operational. They do have some plugs in them. Hydro tank reservoir. There's your hydraulic pumps. They're in good condition. And this is your operator presence control. Your key switch, your speed control, your throttle, and your blade engagement. The machine has 1,222 hours on it. As you can see, it's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or message me. Thank you.